Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix screen recorder not working on iPhone after the new iOS update. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. If the screen recorder is not working on your iPhone, try these troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Number one is check control center. Ensure that screen recording icon is available in control center. Simply swipe down and open the control center and you can see screen recording option is available but not working. If not working, simply restart your iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on drag shut down, dragging the slider right side and fix your problem. After restart, when your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. After restart your iPhone, screen recorder not working problem is fixed. If solution number one is not working, applying the solution number two. Solution number two is disable screen recorder and re-enable again. Tap on settings, little bit scroll up, tap on control center, little bit scroll up, tap on screen recording control center, remove and add again and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, applying the solution number three. Solution number three is reset your iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your iPhone settings and fix screen recorder not working problem on iPhone. If solution number three is not working, applying the solution number four. Solution number four is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS versions. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on the software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number four is not working, applying the solution number five. Solution number five is check for restrictions. If you are using a work or school iPhone, check with your IT administrator to ensure screen recording is not restricted. If restricted, simply unrestrict your screen recording and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply factory reset your iPhone and set up new iPhone and fix screen recording option. And visit, if after factory reset your screen recording problem is not fixed, simply visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix screen recorder not working issue on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.